I am Jordan and I hope you can hear me. It's pouring down rain, but today I'm going to be having tea outside in the rain at a park that I really love by the water. So I did a little video of me pouring water in and stuff, and then I'm gonna be driving there. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. The tea I brought, I'm gonna actually leave it here. Brought a little plate thing. Just like a brick, and it's all the way up because of flooding. Let's go down here. It's a little path to the beautiful river. That's the old brewery in this town. It's really known. It's what established this town basically, and yeah. But yeah, the water's very murky because it's been pouring down raining. And above this, up there a little bit more, is a falls. So the bubbles are from the waterfall. But yeah. All the birds are coming back for spring, so you actually can hear them. So let's go walk up and pour some tea. Definitely forgot to bring a picture for this, so it's probably gonna be very astringent at the end, but yeah. I'm gonna close up my water and wait and watch this beautiful It doesn't show up very well, but this is such a vibrant yellow in here. And it's very caramely. It's so good. A caramely nutty with a hint of spinach. It's so good. I hope you hear me through all this, but yeah, this is a pan-fried tea made at a beautiful tea farm. I got them at the owner. They're amazing. Check them out. I'll link them down below if I can. So it's a pan-fried tea and hand-rolled. So it has that curly, as you saw before. It also, since it's a pan-fried tea, it doesn't have that really umami taste. It has different characters such as caramely, sweet, and nutty. This one also has a spinach taste, so it has that green taste still to it. It's a beautiful tea and it's very enjoyable, especially out in the pouring rain. I would say I would definitely buy it again. I got this at a tea festival in Kyoto when I was there, and it was amazing. And if you're in Kyoto if you're in Japan, I suggest you try different tea brands than the ones you're used to. But this tea is amazing. The teapot also, I'm unsure if you may want to know, I got this in Lake Biwa area. I don't know the person who made this, but I may be able to find him, but he is amazing. He has a red teapot also, one of my friends got, and it's beautiful. The only regret I got with this teapot is I only bought one cup. I wish I bought 3 or 4, just so I have a full set. And then I wish I also got some other things from him because of his technique and the way it looks. I call it my dragon egg teapot. It's just beautiful. And the tea looks amazing in it as well. Here's some tea for you. I will say drinking tea outside definitely made me miss farming. It reminded me of farming in the rain, how amazing tea tastes when you are working so hard in the cold, wet rain, and you need something to warm you up, and how it is. I'm clearly not wet, I'm under shelter, but just the atmosphere and just the memories that flood back when you have tea and different things, it's amazing. I have a little life update and why I haven't been posting as much and stuff. I have 2 jobs now. I'm trying to save a lot of money to travel in the near future. Travel to more tea countries and maybe back to Japan. I also am trying to save money so I can buy more tea stuff. I really want my own tea grinder, a traditional one, either a Chinese wheeled grinder or a Japanese matcha grinder. I also want to try new regions of tea. I want to try some Georgian tea, Sri Lankan tea, a bunch of tea that I haven't even dived into yet, and I really want to try those teas. My goal is to go to different countries than the ones I have been, at least 2 this year, so I hopefully will be able to do that. And yeah, so I'm just working 2 jobs. This is my first day off for the 7 days, and I slept in very well today. I think I woke up at 11, and then I decided I've been craving tea, but I've been at work I go to work around 10 and come home around 8:30. So I've been craving tea around 8:30, and I don't want to drink it because I have to go to bed and get up in the morning and go to work. So yeah, I've been very busy with saving money and trying to work as much as I can. I just definitely have been focusing more on surviving and not enjoying life. So on my days off, I'm going to try to be outside and drinking more tea and be more places like this, beautiful scenery and stuff. I hopefully will be driving out of the city a little bit more, because even though this is a park, it's very noisy. The freeway's right there. There's a waterfall. It's like noisy. Waterfalls are fine, but it's like the freeway mixed with it. It's kind of noisy. It was just down my house, and first time doing it. I have some plans today. I have to do some errands because it's my day off. But yeah, so I hopefully will be doing more sit-down videos, trying teas one-on-one. Yeah, like I said, this tea is amazing, and it's a local farmer, which last year actually they had a trouble with the rain. The rainy season in Japan was really hard last year for them, and it affected how they harvest their tea a lot. So they didn't get as much as they would want in their tea production, is what they told me. And their tea is one of the amazing things. I'm forgetting what it tastes like because I have so many teas I've been trying. But I'm going to try to actually make a tea tasting book for myself and maybe even for you guys, because I want to remember what these are. Maybe not. Another thing is there's a artesian well in town that I really want to try a lot of my teas with, just because I know water affects the taste of teas. And actually, the artesian well is connected to this river. It used to be a brewery for beer, and their slogan was "It's the water." The water's really nice in this river. But during COVID, they kind of closed down all of the access to the artesian well on this river. So there's only one left. So I have to go, and it's in the middle of our downtown area, and a lot of people go to get free water there. And I will be going probably soon, probably tomorrow maybe, to grab some water. I'm gonna try to get like a gallon so I can try different teas. Yeah. So it's exciting. I'm going to be trying experiments with teas because it's honestly keeping me sane. Tea is. I've been at work. I don't really have access to make tea. I have a microwave and water, and that's a coffee machine, and that's it. So So I've been drinking more coffee at work. I've been bringing tea in the mornings and then drinking coffee when I'm there, just because I need something to pick me up. But I would love to have tea, but I don't have, unless I bring my own water, I don't have access to it. So that's fun. So if anyone has suggestions, I know in the summer I probably would do some cold brews, and maybe even in the spring. But right now I really want hot tea, and it's not really doable for this foreseeable future at my jobs. I'm trying to make it focus on my face, so that's good. Now that I let that set, and this is the third brew, it has a fishy taste, a seed-like taste, so seaweed, diatomaceous earth, which I learned, this is something that's really cool that I learned about tea when I was in Japan, and that is when I was farming tea. The tea tends to taste where it's planted, the soil, the plants beside it, and the fertilizer you use can affect the taste of tea. This tastes like fish. I know a lot of people in my family personally think green tea tastes like fish a lot. Those are from the tea fertilizers and stuff like that. So yeah, so you can get different teas that not all green teas are going to taste like fish. It's just because of the fertilizer they use. So fun fact about tea. I'm working 7 days a week most of the time. This week I have 2 days off. Next week I think I also have 2 days off. Unless they call in. They try to call me in every single day off I have. Both of my jobs, and I usually say no just because I need a day off. But yeah, so on my days off I'll be trying to either go on a hike, go outside, experience nature with tea. There's a life update and why I haven't been posting as much, why I haven't been doing stuff. I literally just been super busy at work. I've been trying to post at least on my stories. I've been drinking a lot of wakucha, which is black tea in Japanese, Japanese black tea, and it's a sweeter black tea. So if you guys want to know more about wakucha, I can make a video about it, and I have some articles and stuff that some tea people have written that I trust and love. So yeah, wakucha is just black tea in Japanese black tea, and it's sweeter, and it's a very different flavor than Western black tea that we like here in America. Oh, this duck! They're going down the river. The river's moving very fast today. There's a seagull. I don't know if you can hear me. I should have brought my microphone, but I'm on number 2 steep. Oh, that was way too astringent. Thirsty. before I end this video, I'm actually gonna try the tea leaf like I always do. It's actually really good. Tea can be a drink and a snack. Okay, let's take it. Go over here. It's raining. And throw the tea in there. There's still stuff. Let me rinse it out. Look how cute this is. I feel like I could use that as a cut. Yeah, I won't. Okay. See? It's in there. Now I gotta go. These drops are... Those drops were giant. So now let's pack up my teaware. I kind of use the restroom before I leave. So I gotta go get gas. I have this little nice thing that actually come with a matcha bowl. I forget what it's called. Why am I forgetting? Okay. Let's run to my car and then run to the restroom. Look at these. They're blooming. They're getting drowned by water, but they're blooming. Where this takes me. So this is day 1, vlog 1 of Jordan's day off with tea. Tea and nature. Nature vlog? I don't know what I'm gonna call it. But yeah, it's getting cold and I ran out of tea. So we're gonna go now. And I have to go get gas in my car. Sadly. Gas in my car and probably some food for my next week of work. So yeah, let me know what teas you have been drinking outside. And please comment down below any recommendations from countries you want to know more about tea or teas you want me to try. Please like and share this video with anyone who wants a chill vlog. Have a great day.